Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread omelet at home, full guide. Gather 2 slices of bread, 2 eggs, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon oil, and your favorite fillings. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper and chop any vegetables finely. Toasting bread lightly first gives a crisp texture. I will guide you through whisking, spreading, folding, cooking times, and simple tips so you get a perfect omelet every time. Heat your pan on medium and add 1 tablespoon of oil until shimmering. Pour in beaten eggs and immediately place bread slices on top so the egg cooks into the bread. Add chopped fillings onto 1 slice and gently fold the other slice over to cover. Press lightly with a spatula and cook until golden, then flip once to finish cooking through. Serve hot with chutney or ketchup for a comforting quick meal. For a fluffy interior, add a splash of milk when whisking eggs and mix gently. Swap fillings freely. Cheese makes it creamy, while herbs add brightness and tomatoes add juiciness. Whole grain or sourdough change texture and flavor versus white bread. To prevent burning, cook on medium-low and cover briefly for even heat. Experiment with spices like paprika or cumin for a kick and adjust salt to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.